Hi everyone, this is Sanan from GetInspected, and just a quick video here showing a Fiat 500 with the cut timing belt. So this is what the valves look like. Get some information about the vehicle. That one, manufacturing date May 2013. Automatic. 66,000 kilometers. Wow, this is crazy. It doesn't happen very often. I'm actually surprised to see this. Maybe it is a known problem. It's the first time I'm exposed to this. So, just wanted to share.